Welcome back to my Vietnam vlogs. Right now we're in a village that's 1 hour away from Nha Trang. It's pronounced Mop và Hai Dom Hai. Me, Leon and Loy just arrived here by taxi. This is Loy and her family's place in the village. Right now we're just entering the hallway. There's Leon and Loy right in front of you. Such a cool experience being in the village. This is her room. Really simple looking. She has 4 sisters. Hey Leon, four sisters? Got 3 sisters. 3 sisters.
3 girls and 1 boy.
3 girls
Yeah,
and 1 boy.
my brother.
Brother Ray. Yo. We are in the village called Doplet. It's 1 hour away from Nha Trang. Just passed by Leon's girlfriend's place. Her name is Loy. And we're walking down the village. Me, Leon, and Loy's little brother. Loy's little brother is so cool. He can see that me and Leon were really interested in taking a look around the village, so he ended up taking us on a little mini tour. Here are some places that we walked along the way. Loy's little brother asked if we wanted to go on a scooter ride around the village. Our answer to that? Hell yes. The combination of being on this scooter and in this environment gave us the experience of a lifetime. It was so peaceful and so quiet that Leon and I had never experienced anything like it. I'm trying my best to hold the camera really steady so all of you viewers can feel that you're actually there with us. To me, this is what true happiness felt like. Just got back from the but scooter ride around Dom Hai. So I said it's called, that time I said it was called Doplet. I was wrong. It's called Dom Hai. Loy? Dom Hai. It's called Dom Hai. Here's a close-up of some of the food we ate that night. As you can see, Leon has hands full right now. As you can see, the kids love him. I really hope all of you enjoyed this. Please stay tuned for part 2 of Mop và Hai Dom Hai.